Right now, just released video of a judge in Broward County seen appearing to grab a court employee by the neck and then shaking him. The story is still developing at 6 o'clock. Judge Vegina Hawkins is off the bench tonight after serious accusations emerged of that incident that was caught on camera.
Tonight, the Florida Supreme Court has suspended her. CBS 4's Carrie Cott is live at the Broward County Courthouse in Fort Lauderdale with the story. Carrie.
That's right. There were two major developments today. The first, that the Florida Supreme Court did suspend Judge Vegina Hawkins without pay. That's while the Florida Supreme Court continues to look into this case and determine whether further punishment is warranted. Also today, around 3 o'clock, the Florida Supreme Court released that surveillance video from inside the courthouse that is at the center of this entire issue. The Florida Supreme Court released this video Friday showing Broward Judge Vegina Hawkins in a hallway briefly putting her hands on the neck of a court employee and shaking him. Then she had an animated conversation with the man. The video says do not distribute on it, but the Florida Supreme Court said the video is a public record and can be released. Hawkins has only been on the bench for a few months, but now she is suspended without pay and faces possible further punishment from the Florida Supreme Court. According to a state judicial panel that investigated the matter, Hawkins was upset that court documents she needed were not on her desk on the morning of June 11th. Investigators say Hawkins sought out a court employee and confronted him in the hallway. After the incident, when Hawkins first saw the video, she said it was grainy and she couldn't tell if she touched the man. A court filing by Hawkins' attorney says Judge Hawkins' position has always been that she did not believe she touched the employee. But at a judicial panel hearing last week, Hawkins conceded she had touched him. Her attorney later wrote, she's always taken the position that whether she touched him or not, her actions were inappropriate. Hawkins is a former prosecutor and she was not on the bench Friday. In the court filing, her attorney said Hawkins told the judicial panel she's sorry. Every move I made was wrong, the court filing said. It was improper. No judge should ever do anything like that. I take full responsibility for it.
It just doesn't make any sense why this would happen.
Bill Jellin is an attorney and a blogger with the JAAB blog who broke the story.
First of all, nobody should be inappropriately touching anybody, but certainly a powerful figure like a circuit court judge.
And there's a possibility of more fallout for Hawkins. The judicial panel investigating the case said Judge Hawkins also acknowledged that her actions constituted a battery against the other person when she put her hands around his neck and shook him. I'm told that the Broward Sheriff's Office does not have an open criminal investigation into the judge's conduct at this time. We also received a statement today from the chief judge here in Broward County. The statement read in part that Judge Hawkins is deeply apologetic. The chief judge also said that there is no situation in which a judge can inappropriately touch any person. Again, the Florida Supreme Court will make the ultimate decision here on whether Judge Hawkins receives any further punishment. We're told that decision could come at any time. Live in Fort Lauderdale, Carrie Cott, CBS 4 News.